In this lesson, we will see how to draw a circle, arc, rectangle and ellipse in draw command. Okay, so let's start. Here to draw a circle command, just click on the circle icon. Okay, left click on the circle icon and move to the workspace, or simply click on the C, I and enter, and this you can see here circle command has been activated. Now for option you have to click here, and you can see if you have center and radius, then you can activate this command. If you have center and diameter, then you can activate this command. If you have 2 point or 3 point, then you can activate this command. For example, I have 2 point, so I will select here 2 point, and 1 point is the end of this line, and another point is this end of this line. Okay, so first of all I will click here, and after that second I will click here. So with the help of 2 point I have created a circle. If I have 3 point, for example I have 3 point, then how will I draw? So by activating here 3 point, then click 1 point, 2 point and 3 point. So by touching these 3 point I have created a circle. After that, how will we calculate an arc? So click on here arc and click on the option. So if you have 3 point, then in the same way as a circle we can create an arc. If we have start, end and center, then we can take this option. If we have start, end and angle, then we can take this option. Okay, so according to the condition of the drawing we can take this command. For example, I have a 3 point, then I will click on this 3 point, 3 point on the arc, and I can draw a arc with the help of 3 point here, here and here. Okay, so you can see here this arc has been created. In the similar way, if you want to draw a rectangle, then click on this rectangle and left click on the workspace here, and first of all we have to give the dimension in x direction. For example, I am putting 10 feet in x direction, comma, and 5 feet in y direction, enter, and you can see here this rectangle has been created with dimension 10 feet by 5 feet. Okay, so if we want to activate this rectangle command, then simply type here REC and enter, and you can see here rectangle command has been activated and we can draw a rectangle. So in this way we can draw a rectangle. After that we have to create an ellipse. So click on this icon ellipse, and you can draw a ellipse with the help of this command. And for option, if we have center and center, then we can draw this ellipse with the help of this command. If we have axis and end, then we can take this command. If we have elliptical arc, then we can take this command. So there is no more use of this arc and ellipse like line, polygon and circle and rectangle. Okay.